Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book on the alto saxophone with line 16, Gently Sleep. So let's go through and see what is in our music, and we'll get started. Okay, so we always start with our treble clef, and then we have our key signature. We have one sharp. It is on the top line, that is the F line. So this is an F sharp in our key signature. It tells us all Fs, if we had them, would be played as an F sharp. Now, we don't have any F sharps to play, so another bit of information that we get from this is we are in the key of G. So F sharp in the key, we are in the key of G. And as you can see, we start on a G and we end on a G. Next, we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us the number of beats per measure. The bottom number is the value of the whole note, even when we don't have one. We can use that information to figure out the value of everything else that we have. So, if we had a whole note that got 4 beats, half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So the half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, and half of 2 is 1. So our quarter notes that are colored in only get 1 beat each. So now we're going to go through and we're going to look for patterns and see what our notes are. So we start on second line G as a quarter note, and that's just 1, 2, 3. And then we go up to a quarter note A, so just lift one finger, and then a half note B on the third line, lift one more finger. Then in measure 2, we come back down to an A, that's a quarter note, then a G as a quarter note, back up to an A as a half note. Measure 3 is just like measure 1, G, A, B, and then measure 4 is A, B, G, and that G is a half note. If you look at the second line, it is identical to the first line. So we are going to go through and record. Okay, so we're going to go at the beginning. I have my metronome set to 80 beats per minute, and it's only 3 notes, just G, A, and B. If you're able to play along with me, that's great. Make sure you start each note with a T sound, tip of the tongue, tip of the reed. If not, you can watch this over again and you can play with me on the next time. But here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that is it for line 16, Gently Sleep. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.